Hi, I'm Midnight, if you didn't already know. Today I'm here, and I'm back on a PC! Yay! Basically, I'm going to be playing some girly games, so yeah. We are going to be playing Slime Maker. Let's see. I have been listening to this loud music for a while now. You can't hear it, I don't think. And I'm glad you can't. And poor me, though. So, this isn't really working. Not sure why. So, we are going to play Secret Garden. My mouse is being really weird right now. Okay! Well, that wouldn't work, so we are going to go on a useless website. Eel slap. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Slap, 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 slap. Why are you closing your eyes? I'm having way too much fun. Oh my gosh. Slap, 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 slap. Slap, 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 slap. My friend is being weird in the background of this video. Sorry, I'm having way too much fun. Slap. Here, I need... Oh, I don't have Facebook. Never mind. Just keep on slapping them. Well, yeah. Alrighty, take me to another useless website, please. Sell me something weird or confusing. Please. Think geek canned unicorn meat. What? 5.5 ounce removable milk. What the heck? Unicorn meat. What? Oh my gosh. Naomi. It's selling unicorn meat. Oh my god. Well, everyone, you can buy your own unicorn meat for just... I don't know, there's a lot of prices here. Like, just find which one you want. And free shipping! Yay! You can eat unicorns too. Let's try this again. Pooping Pooch's dog calendar. Well, that's amazing. Oh. Ew. I don't like this. Okay. Let's do this again. Digital adjustable pugs for the sand. Toilet roll holder bathroom. Why would you need a toilet paper stand with a tablet attached to it? There's two. Wow.
$69. Wow.
$69 for this. This is amazing. I'm honestly loving this. Well, let's do this again. Costumes for all occasions. I love this. I don't see why this is weird at all. Yeah, this is totally not weird. Except for that this is $51 for this. That is amazing. What? I love it. It's amazing. Everyone wants to dress up their dogs sometimes. Okay, let's do this. Play Vision. Oh, let's see. This is no. And they have fidget spinners too. We don't like fidget spinners anymore, more people.
They're so last year.
They're so last year. My friends, it's flare hair visor with brown hair. Instead of just like wearing a separate wig, you can just like wear flare hair for $41 or $49 or $45. Why do so many people need this? Mossy oak obsidian camo adjustable carp. What? There's like a bunch. What? I'm so confused. We're back on the useless web. What can I even say about this? Really? What is there to say about this? Pretty terrible. This is on iTunes. I just want to listen to that all day. Really. It's a horse with very long legs. Do they ever stop? Here, let's see. They never stop. These legs are too long. They will never stop. Yes, well. Okay. Oh no. I don't like this.
No, Sam, no.
I want to X off the page, but I can't. Because if I do, that will happen. Ugh, I'm sorry, people. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. That is weird. It's so weird. Whoa. Whoa.
What the heck?
It's like an optical illusion.
Ew.
They kind of look like pieces of paper that keep on falling down. Whoa. Oh my god, my eyes cannot deal with that anymore.
Marionade with my money.
What? Oh my gosh.
Marionade with my money.
Why are these men falling from the sky and what?
Marionade with my money.
It sounds like he's saying marry me with my money. These poor people.
Marionade with my money.
That's all they care about. Wow. This is definitely a useless
Marionade
website.
with my money. Marionade with my money.
I want to have like a pile of this. I'm just gonna go on a different page. I'm gonna have a pile of this.
Marionade with my money.
Okay. Well, I can't not tweet this. Oh. I don't want to tweet it. No, I don't even have Twitter. What is this? What? Okay. Sorry, the vacuum just turned on. It's still going. Oh my gosh. Bees! Ah! StaggeringBeauty.com. Oh, I see how it is. I see how it is. Yay! Well, I guess we're gonna have to end the video here. I hope you have enjoyed this episode, this video. If you have, please leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!